Hello there, I am Emmy from Techie and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Philips Hue bulb to the IKEA DIRIGERA system. This method is for the 4th generation of Philips Hue bulbs, so if you just have a bulb without the packaging, in order to find out which generation you have, or at least if you have the 4th generation, you can check the writing on the bulb and look for the Bluetooth icon right here. If your bulb has the Bluetooth icon, you're good. You have the 4th generation. So I'm assuming that you already have set up your IKEA DIRIGERA system. If you have not, I do have a tutorial on how to do that. So I'll link the video in the description below. So just go ahead and pause this, watch that video and come back here. Now let's start by delving into the Philips Hue app. So make sure that you have the official Philips Hue app for this, not the lifestyle app or anything other that is at the store at the moment. So click into your Hue app. Yes, I will allow you. And get started. I'll just quickly click through all the pop-ups here. There we go. So now we do have a Bluetooth light in this little guy here. So let's just click on I have Bluetooth lights. So at the moment I don't want to use the voice assistant, so no, not right now. There we go. So we have our light and we will turn it on so that it does have power. And then we click add light. Yes, we'll give access to our Bluetooth. And we would like to pair. And there we go. Hue color spot, sure. And done. There we go. Now we have the light and it's very orange. So I'll just, there we go, make it more yellow. So now we are going into the settings and we'll choose lights, the light we added, which we just defaultly called Hue color spot. And then we'll click on update. And yeah, mine is already up to date, but it's very important that you do update it in this step because the previous versions does not support this type of connection to the IKEA DIRIGERA. So now we'll just go back and then we will reset the bulb. So this will not lose the new version. It will just make the bulb going into pairing mode again. So let's click reset. And factory reset. And that's it. That's all you want to do in the Hue app. So now let's just close this app and we'll go to our IKEA Home Smart app. And let's click on the plus sign in the top right corner. Add a product, lights. Then we will turn the light off, click next, turn it on, and then just click the light is blinking, even though it is not at the moment, because this doesn't follow the same on and off step as the IKEA lights does. One product found, nice. I found my products. And we'll just call it Hue, so that I know the difference. And I'll add it to my living room. Done. Awesome. Then I'll just go into the living room, find the Hue light, and here you can see that I have all my color variation that this bulb comes with. So that's awesome. And I can also, I do already have an IKEA remote, which is the remote one here. So I can click on it. And then choose here that we want it to control the hue light as well. And just click save. And let's try. So off and on. There you go. We have our Philips Hue bulb connected to our IKEA DIRIGERA, and we can also control it with our IKEA remote control if we want to. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you'll consider subscribing because each subscription means a lot to us. Have a good one!